Hello kids, Shubha Mangalam at Little Scholar High School. Myself Mrs. Nasrina, taking Standard 2 Science. Standard 2 Science. We have already discussed about food. Importance of food in our life, as food is very important for us. Not only we, all like animals also need food. Animals need food. Birds need food. Yes, human beings also need food. So food is very important in our life. We have exercise page number 25. We will finish, children. Before that, we will we did not finish page number 24. Page number 24. Yes, we will finish today page number 24 explanation. Now say me how many types of food are there. Yesterday I taught you. Say me how many groups of food. Food is divided into three groups. Food is divided into three groups. What are those? Energy giving food, body building food, and protective food. Energy giving food gives us energy. Energy giving food gives us energy to do our work. Yes, if no energy in our body, can we do any work? No, you can't, right? You will feel weak. If no energy is there in your body, you will feel weak. So, we need energy to do our work. So, energy giving food gives us energy. What is body building food? Body building food like egg, milk. Your mother will say, no, you drink milk. Then you will grow taller. You will eat egg. You will be strong, healthy. So, egg, fish, meat, mutton, milk, all these are body building food. They will build your body. You will be strong if you eat body building food. So next comes protective food. Third one is protective food. What are protective food? All fruits and vegetables are protective food. All fruits and vegetables are protective food. If you eat protective food, fruits, vegetable, it will protect you not to fall sick. If you eat fruits, vegetable, you will not fall sick. You will be active. You will be active. So how many types of food are there? Energy giving food, body building food, and protective food. Energy giving food is also known as go food. Energy giving food is also known as go food. Body building food is known as grow. Day by day, year by year, you will grow. Yes, if you eat body building food like milk, if you drink milk, eat egg, you will grow your body. You will grow. Next, we have glow food. Glow food means protective food. If you eat fruits, vegetable, your face will glow. The glow means, that means you will be active. You will be having lot of energy. You will be healthy. So protective food protect you from falling sick. So three types of food we have: energy giving food, body building food, and protective food. They are also known as go food, grow food, and glow, GLOW, glow food. Now say water. Water is very important. Yes, as food is important, water is also very important for us. We should drink at least 7 to 8 glasses of water in a day. 6, 7 or 8 glasses of water in a day, so that whatever parts are there inside your body will be active, and whatever you eat, no, it will digest fast if you eat, if you drink water. Otherwise you will get stomach pain. What is balanced diet? We have three types of food groups. Balanced diet means you should eat from all these food groups. You should not say, I don't like this fruit, I won't eat. I won't like this vegetable, I won't eat this curry today. No, all types of food you should eat. All types of fruits you should eat. All types of vegetables you should eat. So whatever mother prepares at home is very healthy food. So you should eat everything. That is only balanced diet. You should eat all types of food. Then it is a balanced diet. Means diet means food. Diet means food. Junk food. What is junk food? Yes, eating outside food, junk food like ice cream, burger, pizza, cake, bakery items, all are junk food. When you are eating it, it will be tasty. It will be very tasty for you, but it won't give energy for you. Next, page number 24. Page number 24, children, open, put your finger. Page number 24, open, put your finger. Different kinds of food and diets. Different kind of food. We have different kind of food. Yes, every day mother will prepare one different types of curry. What we like to eat is our choice and the choice of our family. Yes, your mummy will prepare different curry, your neighbor auntie will prepare different curry. Everybody have their own choice of eating their food. For special days, we will prepare different types of dish. In your house, mother will be preparing some dish, other auntie, neighbor auntie will prepare her own dishes. So everybody have their own choice of eating food. We have already learned that the food we get from plants are called vegetarian food. The food that we get from plants are vegetarian food. Though, so the people who eat food we get from plants, they are known as vegetarians. People who eat food get from plants like fruits, vegetables, rice, dal, they are known as vegetarian people. The food that we get from animals is non-vegetable. What food animals will give us? Milk, egg, mutton, chicken, all this we get from animals. All this we get from animals. So they are known as non-vegetarian food. And those who eat this food, they are known as non-vegetarians. Some people will eat only vegetables, fruits. They are known as vegetarian people. Some people will eat both fruits, vegetables, mutton, chicken. They are known as non-vegetarian people. So we have two types of people. We have two types of people. Some will eat food that we get from plants only. Some we will eat food from plants and also from animals. Some of our friends eat vegetarian food while some eat non-vegetarian food. Yes, food. Some of your friends, what they will say, no, no, we won't cook chicken, mutton at home. They are non-vegetarian. They won't eat. They are vegetarian people. Non-vegetarian people, they will eat. Your friends will be saying, no, my mother won't prepare chicken, my mother won't prepare mutton. Why? They are only vegetarian. They will eat only food they get from plants. They are known as vegetarian people. Next, in some places, people have rice more than chapatis. In some places, in our place, we will eat more rice. Yes, in north side, they will eat chapati more. In some other places, people eat chapati more than rice. In some places, they will eat rice. 2 times also they will eat rice, afternoon, night. But in some places, one time only they will eat rice, other time they will eat only chapati. Some places they will eat more chapati. In some places, in some states, they will eat more rice. This is because people mostly eat what grows in and around the places they live. Why they will eat in some places, why they will eat only rice, and in some places why they will eat more chapati? Because in that state rice is grown more. Where rice is grown more, people prefer to eat rice. Where wheat is grown more, people prefer to eat chapatis. The choice of food also differ from people of different ages. Yes, your choice of food also differ according to the age group. When you can see your younger brother, sister, what they will eat like you. When they are 6 months, 7 months, what they will eat, they will drink only milk. When they grow little, 1 year, 1.5 year, they will eat soft food. We will smash and feed them. Soft khichdi will smash and feed them. Now when you are sick, you like to eat everything. No, when you are sick, you don't feel any taste, so you like to take special diet, like only bread we will have, only idli we will have at that time. And now you have your grandmothers, great grandmothers, they are very weak, they are not strong like your parents are like you. What they prefer to eat, they prefer to eat a special diet like soft khichdis. They will eat spicy, they won't eat more spicy. Spicy means mirchi. They won't eat more spicy food. They won't like more oil. They'll eat very lightly because at that time they want to keep their health good, so they will eat light, less spicy, less oil. The diet may be non-spicy and non-oily food for old people. We have to respect the choice of food that each of us make. We should respect. If your friend is not eating chicken, mutton, you should not say anything. They are vegetarians, they won't eat. So we should respect. If whatever food their family is preparing, they will eat. That is, so whatever they eat, we should give respect to them. We should not laugh if anyone is eating egg. If someone is not eating egg, we should not see them and we should not laugh. So according to their family culture, they will follow that. If they are eating non-vegetarian like chicken, mutton, they are non-vegetarian people. If people eat only food we get from plants, they are vegetarian people. So we should respect everyone. Whatever they eat, we should respect them. We should not laugh on anyone. So we should respect the choice of their food. Next, page number 25, children. Page number 25, we will do first bit. Page number 25, we will do first bit on the board. See, food gives us dash. Food gives us money or energy. Food will give you, if you eat food, you will get money or you will get energy. 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 The three food groups are, how many food groups are there? Three food groups are there. What are there? Slow food or go food. First one, go food. G-O, go food. First one is G-O, go food. Second one, dash. Grow food or throw food. Grow. Grow food or throw food. Grow. G-R-O-W, grow. Grow, grow food. And third one, flow food or glow food. Flow or glow food. Glow, glow. All starting with capital G only. See, G-O, go. G-R-O-W, grow. G-L-O-W, glow. All with G. Breakfast should have a lot of energy giving food. Breakfast should have a lot of energy giving food. Why? Because you are eating breakfast in the morning. Whatever you eat in the morning, it should be having energy, because you need that energy for whole day. So breakfast should have grow food or go food. Go food means energy giving food. Go means energy giving food. Grow means body building food. Glow means protective food. Water help us to digest food or chew food. If you drink water, your food will be digested, or you will chew your food. The food will be digested in stomach. To digest, D-I-G-E-S-T, digest. Now put finger, we will read page number 25. This fill in the blanks you should complete in your test book very neatly, and also write it in classwork. See here, lesson 3 exercise, first bit in test book. Lesson 3 exercise, first bit in classwork. You should write this in classwork also. Come on, read once again. FOOD, food. GIVES, gives. US, us. ENERGY, energy. MONEY, money. Food gives us energy. Next, THE, the. THREE, 3. FOOD, food. GROUPS, groups. ARER, GO, go food means what? First, energy giving food. FOOD, food. GROW, grow food means, grow means body building food. And glow means protective food. GLOW, glow. FOOD, food. Three types of food. Go, grow, glow. BREAK, break. FAST, fast. Breakfast. SHOULD, should. HAVE, have. LOT, lot. OF, off. GO, go. FOOD, food. Go food means energy giving food. Breakfast should have a lot of energy giving food like butter, cheese, milk. All these are energy giving food. Butter, chapati, bread, all these are energy giving food. They are known as go food. WATER, water. HELPS, helps. US, us. TO, to. DIGEST, digest. FOOD, food. CHEW, chew. Once again, put finger. Food gives us energy. Food gives us energy. The three food groups are go food, grow food, and glow food. Go food, grow food, glow food. Breakfast should have a lot of go food. Water helps us to digest food. Is it clear, children? Understood? Complete all these in your textbook and try to put finger, and you, these all are very simple words. You can read, put your finger and read all the words. Is it clear? Put your finger and read all the words. Complete this work in both in classbook and textbook. Before going to other class, yours this work should be completed. Thank you, children.